go.
To create the word-for-word text effect, you need to search up an effect in the Effects tab called Text Animator. It is right here. I have one automatically in the Captions FX pack, which is gonna make this whole process seamlessly more easily. I'll show you that in a little bit, but all you have to do is drag and drop this text animator onto your text, just like so. You have to go to the left side if you want it to come in, or the right side if you want it to fall out. This is coming in, and then this is coming out. Then click on the text animator just like so. It's going to pop up in the effects tab just like this. And here's where the fun part is. Make sure that your horizontal spacing is at 0. Horizontal zoom is at 0. Vertical zoom is also at 0. Come down the advanced controls, and we want to change this to word. Now you can see that it will come in as words, just like so. That is just a simple fade in. But the way to animate it coming in downwards is to mess with the push-pull position on the right one. This is what's going to, you can see right now, I'm messing with this on. You can increase this as much as you would like, but just now, we get this effect. Now you will have to play with the word bias if you wanted to, for example, have every single letter come in just like so, or if you want all of the words like I just had it. The word bias is really gonna depend on how many words you have in your text. But overall, a good number is around 19 to 25. I've learned it does a really nice job. If you wanna make this come in faster, all you have to do is grab this little thing right here and drag it to the left, and it'll make all of these come in super quick like so. You can also add more motion blur if you want it to be super blurry when it is coming in, just like so. Or if you don't want motion blur at all, you can have it come in like this. And if you wanna spice this effect up even further, you can nest this, look up a effect called posterize time, drag and drop it onto there, and then cut this to 12. It'll make it very jittery, just like so, and it adds just a new unique touch to it. I'm sure a lot of your favorite creators do this on all of their text. And this text animator even gets crazier. You can make seamless text transitions by just grabbing the text animator, drag and dropping in a matter of seconds, it transitions from your first text to your second text. And the only downside of the text animator is it doesn't do well with single word captions, just like you see on all of your content and all of your favorite content creators. It looks something like this, where you just have normal captions coming in word for word, and they're all on their single own track, just like so. And that's why I use a preset from my Captions FX pack that you simply just highlight all of these. Let's say we want them to appear up just like we just made, and just now it adds the motion blur. It comes in just like so. And you can also apply it to PNGs. So we can make this, the Caption FX pack PNG, we can have it appear down. So now all of my captions and the pack comes in effortlessly, just like so. And you get a bunch of more presets, including the word for words slide up effect that you can just easily drag and drop, just like we made in a matter of seconds, just like that. And you can also grab the negative effect, which essentially makes your effect text look like this. And I genuinely don't edit without these presets, because why wouldn't you, when you can just easily come over here in a simple word for word slide up, drag and drop it, and now it's absolutely done. You get all of these caption presets for a single drag and drop, fonts, and even more Mogarts that are 100% customizable. The Captions FX pack will be in the first link in the description. If you guys loved this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the hype button on this YouTube video. That way this gets pushed out to as many people as possible, so they can learn this effect for themselves, and it helps a small channel like me. So thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.